Hey, okay, hello everyone. Hi. Okay, we are actually on the platform of Surasa BTS and just doing a quick construction update of the Line Saturn, which was actually launched last year around I think October, November period, and then it was like so hotly popular that it was like kind of sold out within 2 weeks. But anyway, for those of you who have bought, congratulations once again. The piling is actually more or less done, and then you can see that the construction work is actually ongoing. So I do believe that the project should be able to deliver on cost. Anyway, you can see that next door is a school. I guess that's one of the reasons why you all bought, because all the units will actually be facing this direction. You will be unblocked. Right. Anyway, the project is actually fully sold. So this video is just a construction update for those of you all who have purchased this property. And if you are still keen in this project, what you can do is you can actually look for units that could be put on the resale market. Yeah. So okay. Anyway, that's all. I'll sign off here. See you.